Hi friends, welcome to Venus Pleurosis, a destination for art, food and much more. Today's video is about a Mexican dip which is salsa, which is used as dips for tortilla chips. They can be made as raw or cooked. So here I am going to show you the salsa recipe which I have pounded in mortar and pestle. So let's see what are the ingredients we needed for this. I have taken 3 tomatoes, 1 red onion which I am going to cut half, only we are going to use for this. Then jalapenos. Here I have taken only 1 jalapeno. It depends upon your spice level. Then 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Tomatoes must be red so that our salsa color will be very nice. But I got this kind of tomatoes only. Now here the mortar and pestle, in this I am going to pound this. So let's see let's see how I am going to make this. So these are the ingredients. I have chopped this red onion and going to take half of it. Clean the garlic by taking out the peel. Now this is the iron skillet, which we can say dosha tawa also, iron skillet. In this I am going to make salsa. First I am going to give some cuts to the tomatoes. We are going to toast these ingredients in this iron skillet. This can be made in different varieties. I love this way of making this salsa. It tastes really heaven when dipped in tortilla chips and eat. So let's see. Giving cuts to the tomatoes helps to get it cooked from inside. So like this we'll give cuts and place in the iron skillet. Onion. Now herein goes the garlic. Place the flame in medium. Now jalapeno. Take care of the garlic as it gets burnt fast. Just turn it around, flip it around all the ingredients and cook evenly. For onions to cook, it will get little bit longer time. Even if this method of making this salsa is time consuming, still the taste is really great. So try this. Now garlic is almost done. Lower the flame and let's take out the garlic. Take care of your hands while doing this. Try to use only jalapenos. It gives the real taste of this salsa. This salsa is a variety of sauce used as stable as condiments for tacos and other Mexican and Mexican American foods, and as dips for tortilla chips. So try this. Tortilla chips alone we eat don't give better taste. When we dip in this salsa and eat, the taste is, we can't explain that taste, that much it's tasty. So buy 1 tortilla chips packets and try this salsa. Now it's almost done. Let's take out the garlic. While toasting in this tawa or a skillet, the ingredients gives a smoky flavor. That's the highlight of the salsa recipe than blanching in water. It's really tasty. So try to make this salsa in this way. Now let's flip over the tomatoes. Depends upon the spice level, you can add more jalapeno. Here I have taken only 1. This is just medium spice level. To get more spicier, add more jalapenos to it, and depends upon the jalapeno also, the spice level differs. So check that and add. I have drizzled some oil as it was getting heated more. The tawa was heating more a long time, so I just drizzled some oil, just 2-3 drops. Onions have toasted nicely, so now let's take this out. Now at this stage, let's flip it again. In the South Indian side dish for idli and dosha, we would have tasted this chutney recipes like this toast and grinded. It is similar to that. This dish also similar to that, but the ingredients differ, so the taste also differs. So jalapenos have done. It toasted well. Now let's take out the jalapenos. Tomatoes going to take little bit longer time. So let's flip and wait for to get it toasted properly. We are going to pound this in mortar and pestle, so it must be soft from inside as well. So now just I'm giving cuts so that it cooks really fast. Now it's almost done. Now I am going to cover it and wait for some time. Now it's ready. Now let's take these tomatoes out and pound in the mortar and pestle to get the salsa. Let's move on to our mortar and pestle to pound this. Here it goes. First I am going to pound garlic. One by one, better to do it one by one, otherwise it will be difficult to pound this in mortar and pestle. Mash this garlic cloves. The pounding in this mortar and pestle also gives a different taste to the recipes. I love to do in this. Now here in goes the onions. Squeeze it and mash. Mash it, fast mash it. It will be easy to mash, no need to worry, just mash one by one. Good things takes time, right? So if we want to eat better, we have to give more time to our recipe. So let's take out some time from our busy schedule and try to make this salsa and enjoy your weekend. Now here in goes the jalapenos. While pounding this jalapeno, better to take out that stem, then pound. Here I am going to take it out. You can first remove the stem, then pound. I thought just giving one mash, it just came out, that stem just came out. Once you make sure everything has pounded nicely, then we will add tomatoes. Before adding tomatoes, you can take out the skin. Here I have pounded, then take it out. You can take out and add also. Pound tomatoes one by one. Now the second tomato, I take out the peel, then going to pound it. Now you can see everything has mixed together and a form of chutney has formed. Our salsa is almost ready. Now herein goes the third tomato. When you have to make in large quantities, better not to do like this, but for small families or when you are making with more time, you can choose this method as the taste is truly very nice. So try this. This dip will be sufficient for 3 people. So now let's take it out. I am adding salt. Add salt according to the taste. Then grinding it in mixer completely. Grinding like this gives nice taste. Now let's take it out. Just before serving, you can add finely chopped onions and coriander. So if you intend to store this salsa, don't add raw onions and coriander. Add just before serving. Now it's ready. So now I am going to serve this along with this tortilla chips. So I'm going to add this finely chopped raw onions. If you don't like the taste of this raw onions, you can skip that. Now herein goes the finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Now it's ready. Now let's enjoy with this tortilla. Now here I have got this tortilla chips from Mission. Let's open this and taste our salsa along with this tortilla chips. Now let's dip this tortillas in this salsa and enjoy. Hope you like this salsa recipe. If you like this salsa, give it a try and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, remember to hit the like button. If you like my channel, do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more videos like this, and remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos, you will get notified.